So you gotta be a little bit more careful over here. Not the little crossings. Then you got these speed bumps too. There's the end of it. I don't think that could stretch out too far. There's one of the crossings right there. I don't know how often that gets used. Now this one though, this one probably gets used more though. You gotta be careful if you're on a bike when you go across this though. You notice right here, there's enough room on that side of the road that you can't really see the crossing from up here though. There's supposed to be a switcher somewhere over there too. A switcher locomotive. Anyway, they store some green cars right there on the west side too. They still got a lot more of these tracks over here now. And there's like some kind of geese or something. That's a lot of tracks. And let's see bump. Here's a green terminal kind of thing. I don't know if it's too good luck on that side. There's some tank cars right there. There's a locomotive, two locomotives right here too. Looks like those cheap locomotives, those small ones. And there's a crossing right here too. Yep. And the other side, yeah, like there and subscribe.